Why? Hey, Ramshan is crying. Why? Why are you crying? Are you crying? Why? Ramshan is crying.
Why? Because of the exams?
Why are you crying? You tell it. You tell us. Why?
Kailangan mo kasi mag-review na kasi mamaya hindi na makakapag-review.
Your kuya's crying.
You're crying.
You tell us why you're crying.
Na-shy din si Raven sa kuya.
Tell us why you're crying. It's because of Tito Poren daw. Steve.
Akala magkapakumakoko Tito Poren.
Because siguro Tito Poren is Tito Poren is not feeling well.
What happened to Tito Poren?
Baka kung ano daw mangyari. Oh, you hug Tito Poren tight later.
You talk to
Are you worried about Tito Poren's health ba? You ask Tito Poren later.
Ano po kasi nilagnat si Tito Poren sa cup po niya katay.
Emotional si Ramshan.
You don't want Tito Poren it's not feeling well. It's not feeling well. Okay. Later I will massage him again. Kwento ko kasi Tito Poren is not feeling well. I massage him. What do you want to tell to Tito Poren? Tell them. Tell him. What?
I hope your sickness doesn't spread and I hope you have...
You tell him here. You tell him.
I hope you have good health. I don't want you to have that sickness.
Your Tito will get will get better because they go to hospital na.
Help yourself and I hope you have a good health and please don't. And God, please don't let Tito Poren have that sickness again.
Okay, thank you for loving Tito Poren. I will hug you. This is hug of Tito Poren.
You can hug Tito Poren later.
Later we will go there.
You tell that to Tito Poren so he's gonna be reminded.
Nakita niya bang inano ko si Tito Poren doon? Sinama mo siya?
Hindi.
Yun, nakinuwento ko nung... it's okay na. It's okay na.
Ano bang kinuwento mo, Tita Jo? Siya lang naging emotional. Baka natanaw niya kanina si Tito Poren.
Why you very sad?
I don't want Tito Poren to have that again.
You don't like Tito Poren sick again? Okay. Sige, I will tell him.
You tell it in person later.
Okay?
Because we're gonna celebrate his birthday.
Okay.
What old is he? Nag-iiyak pa lalo.
Why? It's okay na. God will
Paano Parugo pag kayo na yung Nagka-something. Kaya ingatan yung sarili niyo.
God will take care of him.
Baka umabsento si Ramshan pagka kayo yung nagka-something. Hindi niya
Not.
You always remind tatay to take care of his health. No.
Okay na, ha? Okay? Say happy birthday na lang, Tito Porren. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Porren. I love you.
Again.
Happy birthday, Tito Porren. I love you.
Muscle si Ramshan dito. Hindi, yung braso niya. May muscle. Gonna watch this.
Thank you for loving Tito, ha? Okay? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Kaya po rin, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lord!
Okay, Kuya, sa aming pinakapoging panganay, happy birthday. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal, suporta. Okay, simulan natin. Sino magme-message muna? Mauna.
Ako na nakaktan. Ay, pag ano na lang. Pag ano.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Tito Porren! Happy birthday! Thank you so much for being kuya for everyone. And thank you for always giving love and support sa amin. And then, thank you sa pagmamahal din sa amin ni Gerald. And we love you. And we're praying for you na good health and more blessings to come. And no bad spirit. Charot. Happy birthday! We love you. From me and Gerald. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya! The best, Kuya! Thank you sa pagmamahal sa amin, sa mga pamangkin mo. Thank you. And sa ligan nila sa tagapagtanggol. Thank you, Kuya! We love you.
Okay. Say happy birthday, Tito Porren.
Happy birthday, Tito Porren, and I love you.
Ben,
What Tito Porren?
say happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday, Tito!
Birthday mo Tito Porren, si Lord na pong bahala sa inyo. Siya pala alam na po Lord kung ano po yung plano sa inyo. Ingat pa yung palaging gabis po. Love you po.
Ramshan!
Happy birthday, Tito Porren. I hope you have good health and let your sickness heal.
Happy birthday mo Tito Porren. Yan, marami pong birthday ang dumating. And yan, pagpalayo po kayo Lord sa inyo pong buhay. And sa mga ginagawa niyo pong pagmamahal po. Thank you po.
Happy birthday sa napakapogi kong ninong Tito Porren. Siyempre, ang wish ko sa'yo this year is lahat ng best. And lahat ng mga pinag-pray mo is hopefully masagot ni Lord sa kung ano man nais niyang iloob sa'yo. And then yung health mo, Tito, siyempre nagkakaedad na kayo. Lagi niyong ingatan and siyempre sana, kumbaga sinasabihan niyo kami mga ka-family niyo pag may kailangan kayong tulong, gano'n, sama-samaan. Open naman ako to pagka gusto niyong samahan kayo, pa-check up. Kumbaga lambing ko na sa inyo. Tulad mo sabi ko, hanggat bata-bata po ako, mabigyan po kayo ng lambing bawat isa. Basta ingat po kayo lagi tulad doon yung nasa araw ko. Love you Tito, thank you po sa pagmamahal sa buong family. Happy birthday po rin.
The best kuya ever. Thank you ulit Kuya Porren sa love and support. I love you Mama Chup Chup. At sana, yun nga, ingatan mo din yung sarili mo kung paano mo kami pag-ingatan, dapat ganun ka din sa sarili mo kasi yun, kailangan mong ingatan ang sarili mo para sa pamilya mo. kailangan mong maging malakas para sa pamilya mo din. Okay, at lahat ng suporta, thank you ulit. Wala mo na kami regalo ngayon. Pass na muna.
Lista muna.
Lista mo muna yung, yung regalo namin sa iyo. Ang mahalaga naman yung nandito ka sa puso namin. Okay? Okay. Thank you Kuya Poren sa love and understanding. Thank you.
One more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mama Chuchu.
Hi Kuya Poren, happy 50-something birthday. Salamat sa lahat ng pag-alalay mo sa amin, sa pagiging kuya mo sa lahat, and we really appreciate you, your effort, and maraming salamat sa mga words of wisdom, and alam namin meron kaming kuya na maaasahan palagi.
Hello, Kuya Poren. Nandito kami ngayon sa Korea. So, ano lang, kamusta dyan? Happy birthday. Thank you for being a kuya to all of us. Nakaka-admire yung pagiging strong mo para sa family. Pagiging concerned sa bawat isa sa amin at yung pagmamahal na pinaparanas mo. Salamat sa lahat. Yun, happy birthday ulit. Kuya Poren.
Happy birthday. I hope this will be a great birthday today, and it will be
Happy birthday. Say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you,
Tito
Tito
Poren.
Poren.
Have a blast. Have a nice birthday.
Nice
Yeah.
birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Poren.
I want to know mommy.
Yan, happy birthday, Kuya Poren.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kamporen. Ayan,
Ayan. Kuya Poren, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko sana bigyan ka pa ni God ng mahabang buhay at malusog na pangatawan at ilayo ka sa anumang kapahamakan. Yun, parati ka mag-iingat at maraming salamat Kuya sa mga tulong na ipinibigay mo sa amin sa pamilya ko. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Parati ka mag-iingat.
Ayan, siyempre, bilang pangalawang kuya ng Family Malastas, happy birthday, Kamporen. Ayan, sana more birthday pa. Ayan, at ang wish ko ni Teklito sa'yo, lagi sanang umaraw para marami kang mabilad sa marami kang mabilad na palay sa may hindi yung puro ka nagda-dryer kasi ngayon, kaya nakikita ko paano ka nangungusume. Stay put ka lang, ganyan talaga ang buhay. Kaya
kasi naman isipin mo March ngayon nag-uulan.
Oo nga po mga katekram, kasi si Kamporen kasi napakagastos po ng magda-dryer, kaya birthday mo alam ko medyo problema ka ngayon sa pagbibilad, kaya ang wish ko umaraw araw-araw para makabawi ka naman. Kaya siguro wish ko siguro nasa iyo naman ang lahat, kaya ang ko yung lagi ka na lang mag-ingat at saka magsusumbrero ka pagka kasi baluga ka na Umiitim ka
Ano,
eh.
parang nung ikay
Oo.
nagkukulip eh.
Nagpapayong ka. Kailangan yan sa katawan. Alam mo naman, yung init, nagkakasakit yan. Yun lang, ganun lang. Araw-araw naman tayo nakikita eh. Pautang. Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Tito Poren. Wish ko lagi ka malakas. Love you.
Ayun.
Yan. Happy birthday ulit, Kuya Poren.
Ayun, Kuya Poren, sa aming panganay, happy birthday! Wish ko ay more healthy ka pa, more birthday to come. Alam namin na ikaw yung pangalawang magulang. Kahit anong problema dumating ay nandyan ka para protektahan ang mga kapatid mo, kami, bawat isa sa amin. Alam namin kung gaano mo kami kamahal. Kaya ganoon din naman yung pagmamahal namin sa'yo. Kaya lagi kang mag-iingat, ingatan mo yung sarili mo. At thank you. Kahapon, nakapag-usap tayo. Naging naman yung feeling namin mas maluwag. At sa iyong payo, dadalihin namin at lagi namin iisipin. Kaya happy birthday, Kuya Poren. I love you so much. Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mamaya. Bye!
Happy birthday, Tito Poren. May this day bring you joy, happiness, and precious memory po. And take care of yourself, health, and more birthdays to come. And ingat po kayo palagi sa mga lakad nyo. Again, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kuya Poren. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa amin, especially sa mga pamangkin mo, and showing to us na napaka-generous mo and loving and supportive. We are thankful na may kuya kami tulad mo. We love you! Ingatan mo yung health mo! Okay, long life for you. In Jesus' name, amen.
Happy birthday, Kamporen! More blessings to come and good health. And thank you sa pagmamahal mo sa amin, sa mga pamangkin mo. Thank you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Mr. Manyaman.
Mayaman.
Mayaman
is delicious.
Mr. Mayaman.
Tito Poren. Call him Tito Poren.
Tito Poren. Happy birthday, Tito Poren. Thank you again for getting me those Birkenstocks that were very expensive.
That's
all three of us could say it. I'm wearing it right now.
I'm wearing
I just want to thank you for taking care of your siblings, your family, and your own family as well. And yeah.
Okay.
Hi Tito Poren, happy birthday. We miss you, and I just wish you have a good day and for many more. And I wish for a happy life. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mr. Manyaman. I wish you to have a good life and thank you for the Birkenstock.
Hindi nila makalimutan yung binili mo sa kanila. Hold it, Papa. We're gonna... We love you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! We love you and we love you.
Bye.
Enjoy! Hello to everyone!
Hello, everyone.
Kuya Steven!
Hi, Kuya.
Tatang! All of you there!
Happy birthday, Kuya Poren! So, una na ako. Kuya Poren, maraming salamat sa iyong
ibinuhos sa pagmamahal sa amin, sa buong Malsas family. And sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mas mahabang buhay at magkasama-sama pa tayo ng matagal. Maraming salamat.
Yun sabi ni Zun, Kuya Poren, ngayong birthday mo, gusto namin ulit i-affirm at sabihin sa buong mundo kung gaano kami ka-blessed na meron kaming Kuya Poren sa pamilya namin. And again, wish namin sa birthday mo ngayon is total recovery at naway bigyan ka pa ng mas malakas na pangangatawan ni Lord. At the same time, yung recovery mo is magtuloy-tuloy na. So, yun lang. And also, peace of mind ng puso't isipan sa lahat ng oras. Yun lang. Again, we are so proud we have a Kuya Poren. Again, happy birthday, Kuya Poren.
Happy birthday. Sabi din pala ni BBG, happy birthday daw. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Poren, I bless you so you can feel well and we can celebrate your birthday. And Tito Poren, I hope you'll be better soon and have this knowledge so all the people can celebrate your birthday. And that's it, Mama Chuk Chuk.
I love you, Tito Poren, and thank you for everything you gave us, and I hope you get well soon, and also, I love you.
Mama Chuk Chuk.
I love you, Tito Poren, and happy birthday, and I appreciate all the things that you did to us, and feel better soon. I love you.
Mama Chuk Chuk. Happy birthday, Tito Poren!
Happy birthday, Florence! Sana ang wish ko sa'yo, sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ng ating Panginoon Diyos. Tsaka yung maging healthy, yung pangangatawan mo. At siyempre bilang panganay kong anak, palalangin ko talagang humaba ang buhay mo para yung mga kapatid mo merong silang gumagabay sa kanila. Kasi siyempre yung matanda, pinakamatanda. Kaya yun nga ang wish ko sa'yo, maging healthy ang iyong pangangatawan at bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ng ating Panginoon Diyos para yung anak mo may masubaybayan mo ng gusto hanggang sa paglaki. Ay si tatay pala, nataon naman nagpapagiik doon sa Pinak. Kaya wala pa siya. Hahabol na lang mamaya. Happy birthday, anak. Ay, nako. Happy birthday, anak. Wala akong masabi sa'yo. Sobrang kabaitan mo, anak. Thank you.